Hey there, Geometry Cats. Today we're going to be looking at 7.1b. We're going to be looking at the Pythagorean Theorem, Converse. Let's go. So we know the Pythagorean Theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So let's write that down first. That's the first thing we're going to look at today. Now, if that is true, that makes this a right triangle. Okay? So if a squared plus b squared equals c squared, I know that that is a right angle. So I go backwards. Instead of given a right triangle, finding the sides, I can say given the sides, I can find one of the angles. Now, if a squared plus b squared is less than c squared, so c squared is bigger, that's going to make it an obtuse triangle. An obtuse triangle has one angle that's bigger than 90 degrees. Because c is larger, so it extends it out and makes it a little bit wider, like that hinge theorem we talked about. And now, if a squared plus b squared is greater than c squared, then it's a cute little triangle, which means all the angles are less than 90 degrees, right? Every angle is less than 90. All right. I like to keep on the right side, then it's always correct. I digress. Alright, let's take a look at this one. So first thing I gotta do is check to see if it's a triangle, because that's an option. So to check if it's a triangle, the sum of my two smaller sides has to be greater than the third side. So is 3 plus 7 bigger than 9? This is from the Wayback Machine, right? Is 3 plus 7 bigger than 9? It is. So it's definitely a triangle. Okay? So now we got to do that reverse Pythagorean Theorem, converse dealio, to figure out what kind of triangle it is. So I'm going to do 3 squared plus 7 squared and compare that to 9 squared. Alright. Well, 3 squared plus 7 squared is 58. 9 squared is 81. 81 is bigger than 58. And if your C is bigger, then it's obtuse. Because that one side's bigger, making that angle fatter. Alright, let's look at number 2. On number 2, 20 plus 21 is bigger than 29. So I know it is a triangle, or can be. So now I'm going to do my Pythagorean Theorem. 20 squared plus 21 squared equals 29 squared, right? So over here I get 8. Oh, not equal to, we don't know yet. Over here I get 841. Over here I get 841. Now if your left side and right side are equal, that means you're right, and that's a right triangle. Okay? Alright, we're almost done. Alright, let's check this one. Number 3. First thing I gotta check, is it a triangle? So 4 plus 11 is 15. 15 is smaller than 16. It has to be bigger. If it's not bigger, it's not a triangle. So that is no, not a triangle. Alright, let's go to 4. 4. 17 plus 17 is 34. 34 is bigger than 22, so it is a triangle. Now I have to do my Pythagorean Theorem and see what happens. So I do 17 squared plus 17 squared, and see how it compares to 22 squared. 17 squared plus 17 squared is 578. 22 squared is 484. Now, 578 is bigger than 484. So because my a squared plus b squared is bigger, that makes this a cute little triangle. Alright. We'll do some more of these in class. I hope you learned something. Have a great day.